Hey everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete hi5 account. So let's get started. Begin by launching your hi5 application. Make sure you're logging to your hi5 account. Now tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the gear icon. Tap on the Cancel Account option, which is under Account. If you are sure, tap on the Continue Cancellation. Then select the reason why you would like to delete your account. Then tap on the Confirm button. And this is how you can delete hi5 account. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.